Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my winter wash day routine. But before we dive into the tutorial, let me know in the comments below which product you use for your wash day routine, especially in dry winter months, because I know this time of year can be especially challenging for some of us. Now let's get started. First up is detangling. I am going to be working in 4 sections and I'm going to be using just plain old water and this Native Child Moisture Cream, which is a very moisturizing detangling conditioner. I spritz water onto my hair, making sure it's very damp, and then I use that conditioner on my hair to detangle my hair. Firstly, I'm going to finger detangle my hair just to get those easy knots and tangles, which is easy when you are finger detangling without causing breakage. Thereafter, I'm going to go in with my detangling brush, removing all those hard to reach knots and tangles. I love how this moisturizing cream detangles the knots and tangles so gently, and also it moisturizes your hair. And I found this to be my ride and die detangler, guys. So do you have a ride and die detangler that you might share with me that you might think I might like? Just leave a comment below. And then I'm just going to twist down my hair and tie a knot at the end using an elastic to make sure that when I'm washing my hair doesn't detangle again, because my hair shrinks a lot and it will get into tangles pretty quickly, which I do not want. Moving on to step 2, I use the Shea Moisture Moisture Retention Shampoo to gently cleanse my hair without stripping it of its natural oils. I'm going to firstly remove all that detangler that I used when I detangled my hair just using water. It's lukewarm water. Using my hands, I apply the shampoo thoroughly all over my hair, focusing mainly on my scalp at first. I just massage it all over my scalp. I thoroughly cleanse my hair without leaving it feeling dry, which is what I enjoy most about the shampoo, especially in dry seasons. Using the shampoo brush helps me a lot in removing flakes and product buildup. It also helps me to stimulate my scalp and promote hair growth. I'm going to rinse out that shampoo with warm water and make sure that it's thoroughly removed, because having shampoo on your scalp can also lead to dry and a flaky scalp, which can be irritating, especially in dry seasons. If I'm not using this shampoo in winter months, I have to be sure to use the Black Jamaican Castor Oil Shea Moisture Shampoo, which has peppermint and avocado vinegar for when my scalp gets truly itchy. Next, for step 3, I use the Amina African Triple Butter Deep Penetrating Moisturizing Conditioner, followed by a blend of extra virgin olive oil, the Mukaya African Oil Blend, and the MPL Castor Oil to do a hot oil treatment. My hair is still feeling extra soft even before deep conditioning. I apply the Amina African Triple Butter Deep Penetrating Moisturizing Conditioner generously onto my hair, making sure to cover all the strands from root to tip. I then seal the deep conditioner in with the hot oil treatment, also making sure to apply that hot oil treatment generously onto my hair in that section that I'm working on. And then after that, I'm just going to braid down my hair, making sure to lock in all that moisture. I do the same thing all over my head of hair. This is a combo that I found recently and I found it so so moisturizing for my hair. So I love it. I love it, especially for those dry season and winter months. I'm going to put a plastic on to help me penetrate this combo deeply, and also use just a towel to make sure that it heats up underneath the plastic. I leave it in for about an hour, and then after just leaving it in for an hour, I'm going to rinse it out with cold water. I use cold water because now I want to close my cuticles and I don't want them to reopen. I'm then going to use a t-shirt to dry my hair as much as I possibly can. Lastly, step 4, I use the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner to add that extra moisture and protection to my hair. This leave-in is packed with Jamaican Black Castor Oil and is great for promoting healthy hair growth and reducing breakage. I don't apply a lot, I just smooth it down on those braids I already have, because I know during the week when my hair starts to feel a little dry, I'll just reapply this leave-in conditioner, which makes my hair feel so moisturized. I love this one. I love it. Now my hair is dry. I just let it air dry. I'm just going to put a light oil on my fingertips just to help me when I'm styling my hair. And then I'm just going to undo those braids. My hair feels super soft at this moment. My hair feels so moisturized, it feels silky, and as you can see, it's also very shiny. It's like a soft cloud, it's very soft. I'm then going to take a comb and comb out my hair, and as you can see, it's so easy for me to comb out my hair because it's very moisturized, it's detangled, and it's very soft and fluffy. Styling and running my fingers through my hair is so effortless because my hair is so moisturized, it's so soft, and I'm not experiencing breakage due to dryness. I love this. You can see it's just bouncy and fluffy. So in winter months, I prefer to do protective styling. If I'm not doing protective styling, I'm going to do my go-to, which is a high puff or a high bun. At this moment, I'll just do a high puff. In winter, I wear a lot of high neck tops, and I know that cotton and wool absorbs moisture from hair or the air, so I do not want my hair feeling dry or breaking off at the tips. So that's why I make sure that my hair is away from my neck or also my collarbone. And that's it for my winter wash day routine for my natural hair. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful and informative. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more hair care tips and tutorials.